Hey everyone, whoa. Today, it is me, King Philip, and well, I am very excited today because today is the day that, we think Julian's baby girl will be arriving. Yes. Well, my baby girl, yes. Have you decided on a name, son? Yes, we have. Tell them. No, that I want to tell them when she's born. So she could be born any minute. She could be born now. She could be born tomorrow. She could be born any day. Yes. Julian is in labor, and Dr. Turtle has been watching her like a hawk. Like, he's been there all day, all night. He's super tired, but it's all worth it because we hope to have a little bundle of joy in the end. But yes, we have decided on a name for her. Okay, I think we need to start prepping for the... Okay, let's go! It's okay. And by the way, guys, the reason why everyone else isn't here is because for the past few days we just had to have just immediate family. So the aunts and uncles have to wait. Yes. Ah, my mask! Let me just fix it. Okay. So yes, there we go in the shot. We are hoping that our baby girl will be born very soon. So yeah, I'm gonna sit down right next to my beautiful Julianne right here. The whole time. Right here. And I will be right here. So don't worry, Julianne, you're in good hands. Thank you. Thank you, guys. You're welcome. Okay, guys, let's get this show on the road. Let me just do a quick exam to make sure that the baby is ready. Oh my. What? The baby's heart rate is So that means her heart rate is racing. So that means it's time. She needs to come out today. Yes. Yes, okay. Just take a look. Yes. Let me just do a quick little ultrasound here. Yes. Okay, and it shows that the baby is ready. So are you guys ready to have the baby? Oh my god, yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Julianne, you need to stall. Come on! A little while later. Oh, the baby! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Here we are. Here is the baby, everyone. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Let me just do my little exam. Oh, Chef Bruno, look at her. Let me take a picture of you guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. Hi, baby girl. It's your mom. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm a mom now. So she was born at 1:28 p.m. today. The Princess Baby was born at 1:28. Ah, my stethoscope. Her heart sounds good. Let me just do an exam because I already wrapped her in a blanket. Ah! Everything is looking great. We'll be back in just a second. You guys can just take a couple minutes. She's all good. We finished the exams. Perfect. Okay. Let's tell everyone what her name is. Okay, everyone. We would like to introduce you to Sadie. Yes, baby Sadie. Her name is Sadie Margret. Princess Sadie. And her middle name is Margret. She was born today at 1:28 p.m. She is perfect. Although she has red hair. I don't have red hair. Well, my family does. I was not expecting that. She would have, like, hair like that. Why did you get a blonde wig? I thought blonde is the best color. So, is this her natural hair color? Let me feel. It's okay, Sadie. Yes, her hair is her own hair. She has hair, it feels just like her dad's, but the color of her mom's. Wow. She looks more like Chef Bruno, but that could be changed. But she has Julian's smile. Oh, she is just the cutest. I'm so happy. I'm finally a dad. The moment is surreal that I'm holding my baby girl next to my beautiful wife. I know, time just goes. Are you ready to meet her, King Philip? Yes, I am. Let me just put my mask on. Oh, my granddaughter. Oh, you guys. She is adorable. Oh, just look at her. Oh. Sorry guys, I'm doing a picture. Oh, Sadie. Oh, you're adorable. Grandpa loves you very, very much. Remember that. Oh, you could just take this off. Put it on. Oh, okay. So Sadie Margret is her name, just after your mother. Your mom would be very proud to see her first grandchild, but she won't get to. I wonder what this little one will do over the years. She'll grow up. She'll be the next queen in line. Wow. We are so in love with her and she is just so perfect. Yes, she is. Can I have a turn to hold her? Yeah. Oh my gosh. And we already took a picture, by the way. Juliann, how are you feeling? I need to do a little test of you. Okay. Please lay down. So I am on your bed. It's fine. This is always important. We just listen. Uh-huh. Yes. Juliann, you're doing very well. How do you feel? Ooh, a little exhausted, but, you know. Yeah. Okay. Juliann, you are doing wonderful. You and Sadie, like, what made you pick that name? Well, we were looking up royal names, and Sadie, Princess Sadie sounded good, and then we did Margret after my mom. Yeah, because I might be queen one day. Careful. Oh, baby, I'm sorry. But yeah, we are all very excited to meet, to show everyone her. Are they allowed to come? Well, since you're at your house, I'll let King Philip decide that. For everyone to come meet the baby. Yes, but one at a time. Okay, I will go tell everyone to come. Oh my god! Oh my god! Who is this? My little niece! Hi! Stacy! Sorry. What's her name? Her name is Sadie Margret. Princess Sadie. Oh, Princess Sadie. Oh, she's an adorable little blow. And Juliann, you actually had the baby. You weren't faking your pregnancy. Hey, I wasn't. Wow. Oh my god, she's adorable. Hi, it's Aunt Stacy. It's Aunt Stacy. Okay, Aunt Stacy, come in for a picture. Okay. You're blocking me out. I don't care. I need to say hi to my niece. Chase. Oh, she's adorable. Oh my god. She is adorable. Oh my god. Yay. Welcome to the world, little Sadie. Okay, it's my turn, Stacy. Alright, your turn, Shelly. I'll just be waiting over here then. Her name is Sadie Margret. Sadie Margret! Oh, that's adorable! Hi, it's Aunt Shelly. Hi. Hi. Oh my god, I'm so excited! I'm an aunt for the first time! My older sister had a baby! Baby, oh my gosh! I'm just so excited! Ew, Shelly loves you, little one. Next. Oh, Chef Bruno. She looks so cute. Thanks, Dr. Chartwell. No problem. Oh, she's adorable. Oh. Oh, she's adorable. Oh my gosh. Hi, it's Uncle Sam. It's okay. Shh, Daddy's here. Congratulations, you two. Thanks, Sam. My turn! Oh man. The baby! The baby! You're spitting in her face. Sorry. Hi. Hi, it's Smoker, Uncle Smoker. Hi. Uncle Smoker. Yeah, say it like this. Uncle Smoker. Uncle Smoker. You're not Uncle Smokey Smokey, you're just Smokey. Hi, Princess Sadie and Snoopy. Okay. Huggy pond to see her. Come on in, Huggy. Okay. I'm here. Chef Bruno. Hey. Of all the years I've known you, you've only known me for 3 years. Still, of the couple years that I've known you, she just looks good. Congrats. Yeah. She probably won't know if I'm a boy or a girl, but y'all know I'm a boy. And yeah, a lot of people assume Huggy's a girl, but really, he's a guy. Because I'm a guy. Because I have my eyeballs and they go like this. So yeah. Okay, goodbye, Huggy. Huggy! Whoa. Ah! Wow. Baby, I can't believe we just had a baby. I have my baby girl and my baby... Oh! Oh, I think we have to do the first diaper change. Oh Oh my gosh. Don't look. Oh my gosh. Ew! Oh, that's gross. Okay, she's good. It's okay, it's okay. Mommy's got you. Shh, shh, shh. Mommy's here, Sadie. Mommy's here. Oh, Mommy's here. Don't worry. Your new mommy is here. Welcome to the world, little one. Oh, I love you, little Sadie. My little princess. Oh, my little princess. Yes, my little princess. My little princess. My little princess. Okay, my turn to have one-on-one time with our daughter. I can't believe you're mine. This is my daughter, everyone. Her name is Sadie, Margret. She was born today on August 26th, 2020 at 1:28 p.m. Surrounded by her grandfather, King Philip, her father, me, and her mother, Juliann. Oh my gosh, she is adorable. Oh, I can't wait for the father-daughter moments we'll have in the future. Oh, Sadie. So sorry. So sorry again, sweetie. Daddy doesn't mean to do that. But yeah, guys, that'll be the end of this TPS video where we have our new baby girl. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye! Bye, guys. And welcome, Sadie, to the TPS series.